Hi everyone, my name is Jane and welcome to my channel. So I have been waiting for the perfect time to do the unboxing as well as impression video about these products. So I got here with me some of the premium skincare products that are widely used and popular in the Philippines. And I just would like to thank Beautederm Korea for giving me some freebies which I will be using along with this V-Lift machine. So for those of you who are interested in trying out Beautederm products, you can check out Beautederm Korea and don't hesitate to ask if you have any questions about any of these products. She also has a YouTube channel. You can check out some of her Beautederm product reviews as well as some useful tips on how to use each and every Beautederm product. Premium set basically comes with 2 top pain soap. I think I have already finished 3 of this, and so far this is one of my favorite Beautederm products. So something I believe that I'll continue using. Another inclusion in the premium set is the day and night toner. This gives the skin a lasting glow and lessens the chance of acne, scarring, and wrinkles. I have used the trial set before, so I'll just show you the empty bottles. It comes with 1 day cream and 3 night creams over here, and also a toner. So the creams unfortunately lasted less than a month. I think it's because I kind of overestimated the amount of the creams per bottle. But this really just holds very little amount. The bottle looks bigger, but actually the amount is just around half of it, so that you won't be surprised as well if ever you decide to try these products. The toner, on the other hand, I was able to extend for up to 2 months. So the trial set is only 10 grams and the premium set is 50 grams. That's why if this is only good for 1 month, this one can be used for up to 4 to I think 6 months. Again, depends on how much you use per application. Also, night cream 1, 2, and 3. One problem that I had with the Beautederm packaging is there's a little accident right here inside. This actually had a plastic cover, but I had to remove it because this spilled all over here. When all of these are inside and then like you move this bag up and down, this can spill easily. Yeah, so this is kind of unfortunate. The quality of the product itself is quite good, but maybe one thing that could be improved would be the packaging. So instead of just providing a bag like this, maybe it would be so much better if, you know, they could provide a box. Like for example, if you buy some cosmetic products in Korea, most cosmetic products in Korea come in like a box like this, so they don't easily spill. So just a suggestion, I mean, hey Beautederm people, if you are watching, something that could hopefully improve the packaging of Beautederm products in the future. But anyway, so that's the night cream, and the night cream lightens dark spots and pimple marks, and it also helps rejuvenate the skin. So this is a 5 times more the amount of the night cream in the trial set. So the night cream 2 is a gel type moisturizer. Actually, this is my most favorite among all the other creams because this is a gel type, and when opened inside, yeah, it looks like that. Renew and repair aging skin. Gives the skin a rosy and dewy look. And there's the Night Cream 3. 1, 2, 3. The Night Cream 3 contains collagen that treats damaged skin and improves skin elasticity and slows down aging. So there's Night Cream 1, Night Cream 2, and Night Cream 3. Okay. I can't quite pinpoint how it smells like, but it's a little strong. I like the simplicity of the packaging of the creams. Reminds me so much of the packaging of Kiehl's products. Yeah, just white and a little bit of gold and black. But again, if there is one thing that I hope could be improved in terms of the packaging is to, like, let's say for example, provide boxes. Night 1, night cream 2, night cream 3, okay, and the day cream. Just another suggestion if possible. I wish that they could also at least change the color of the day cream. Like, they don't need to totally change the bottle, just maybe just a little bit of color right here. Again, because this is for daytime, maybe they could add a little bit of, like, you know, a brighter gold color or something, just to easily distinguish this bottle from the 3 night cream bottles. Because honestly, when I was using the trial set, I frequently had this mistake of opening one of the night creams instead of the day cream, or opening the day cream instead of the night creams. If you are not very careful, you know, when you look at them, they just look kind of alike. So anyway, again, just another suggestion if Beautederm people are watching. The toner is 120 ml for the premium set, and yes, for the trial set it's 60 ml. I was able to extend this for 2 months, and this one is good for 4 months. I think maybe even up to 6 months. So this is what's inside the premium set, and of course it comes with 2 bars of papain soap, which you can use every morning when you wash your face. And that also comes with the Purify facial wash with the brush. The facial wash is undoubtedly one of my favorites as well. I actually like this combination of the papain and the Purify facial wash. So this facial wash is for whitening and exfoliating, and I believe it's the same thing for the papain. And this cleanses the skin while gently exfoliating it to unclog pores. It enhances skin's elasticity and gives a brightening and whitening effect. I only use this at night every other day because my skin is a little bit sensitive, especially to scrubbing. But this one I use every day, every morning and every evening. So again, if you are interested to buy any Beautederm products which are proudly made in the Philippines, you can check out Beautederm Korea. She has a Facebook page. I got this for free, so thank you so much. And I also got this Less Gliss or Gliss V-Lift Glide Gel. So these two are like a perfect combination. This one is best used with this gel. This is formulated to boost interaction between skin and machine, amplifying benefits while enhancing comfort. This is magnetic. Okay, so it opens easily on the side, the front side. And then when you open it, yeah, it looks like that inside. And there is this manual, some cotton puff, and oh, C-type. There's a C-type charger here. And oh, this looks nice. Okay. Yeah, it looks nice. This is the Beautederm pouch for the machine. Okay. It doesn't look that big. Whoa. This is super red. And there's the level here and you know the different modes. So I'm gonna need to study this first and try this out, and then I'll probably be back for a separate review on how to use this as well as the effects on me and also my reaction. Okay, after using this, I am gonna start using this creams in October. Okay, and I will try to document the effects on me, and hopefully I can get back to you with the review after I've started using them. If you liked watching this video, please give this a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, I hope that you consider subscribing to support my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!